Recently a question regarding maximize conversions on Google search ads. Let's get started. Hello, Ali. Hi. I have a Google ad search campaign for my e-commerce brand. I started a month ago, new count, a manual bid campaign, one ad group with four keywords after 30 days. Okay, one ad group with four keywords. Okay. After 30 days and 32 conversions, I changed it to maximum conversions. Okay. I managed to get 42 conversions in 30 days. Okay. The problem is that my CPA is still not profitable. Should I change the campaign to Target ROAS, means target return on ad spend, or maybe I should add one journal word in face match and stay in maximum conversions? By the way, the budget of the campaign is $100 per day and average click is $2. Okay, so you are getting 30 days and 32 conversions after 30 days. I managed to get 42 conversions in 30 days. The problem is that my CPA is still not profitable. Should I change the company to Target ROAS? Okay, no, okay. I think that in your scenarios, like with this, when you're going with a maximize conversion, so you can add the maximize conversions with Target CPA. Okay, with TCP, what happens is that first of all, the first thing which you have to do is and how to do. Let's say we're going with one of the campaigns to show you how we can do it in the Google Ads dashboard. Let's say we're going with this one. You just have to go into your settings tab over here, and in the settings tab, look around for your bidding strategy and change it to okay, it's okay, just a second. It's forgot. Okay, change it to maximize conversions with Target CPA. Let me see, show you how you can do it. So it's over here, but yeah. So go with maximize conversions and set our target CPA over here. So set your target CPA over here. So this is the first advice I'm going to give you, is to set a target CPA. This can help you, and I think that when you discuss regarding adding general word in face match, why don't you look for your search terms on your Google Ads account? Look around for your search terms. Okay, what you have to do in order to find your search terms is to simply, even if you don't know, just go to your search bar over here and look around for your search terms, and look around for your search terms to see, the performing one, and based on the data you can add those search terms, which are generating the most conversions for you. Okay, look around which has the most conversions, and simply add them. Simply add them, or create new ad groups for them. Okay, this can help you in order to getting more conversions. So I think that this can and lastly, you have your conversion tracking enabled? Like, this account has not enabled over here. The account I have shown you does not have conversion tracking, which is why we can't make the conversions over here. But do you have the conversion tracking enabled? Because all of this will go in waste if you do not have conversion tracking enabled on your account. Apart from this, I think that you need to optimize your landing page as well, add more CTAs and the other products as well, so you can increase your average order value to become profitable. So upsell other products, cross match, make combos, and increase your CTA call to actions on your landing page. This can also help you. And why don't you analyze your data for the 42 conversions? Look around, look for, see which area got you most conversions, which time, and what keywords. Spend more on those. Which days of the week you get the most conversions. Look around for that data, and look around for optimization of that, because you got 42 conversions and it's very easy to optimize that instead of a new campaign to get profitable. So you have a general data, you are getting the conversions, you just need to optimize and get more. So follow these strategies, and so this is how you can optimize and increase more conversions for your campaign, for your e-commerce brands and Google search campaign. I hope this answers your question, query. And if anyone needs a professional help with the Google Ads management, audit, or service, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. We are known as AARSWEBS.com as a Google Ads partner company, and we will love to help you in optimizing your Google Ads account or auditing your Google Ads account. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with you. Take care. Bye bye.